There are hundreds of air fryers on the market right now. Most people pick the wrong one. They overspend on features they never use, or they go too cheap and end up with soggy fries and uneven cooking. In 2026, the options are better than ever, but so is the confusion. We tested the top models so you don't waste $100 or more on a mistake. The right air fryer changes your kitchen completely. Stay with us. This video saves you time, money, and a bad meal. Here's the real problem. Most air fryer guides just list specs. They don't tell you what size fits your household. They don't explain the difference between basket and oven-style models. They don't warn you that a 2QT air fryer fails completely when cooking for a family of 4. So you buy once, get burned, and buy again. That's $200 wasted, plus time, plus bad meals. The wrong air fryer doesn't just cost money. It costs you the entire reason you bought one in the first place. The good news? You only need to get 3 things right: capacity, technology, and versatility. Nail those 3 and your air fryer pays for itself within weeks. At AirFryerGuidance, we broke down exactly which models deliver hot, crispy results for your kitchen size and cooking habits. We filtered thousands of options down to the best air fryers for most people in 2026. No filler, no sponsored rankings, just the 4 models that earned their spot through real performance. Here's what made the cut, and exactly why. First up, the Ninja Air Fryer with Air Crisp technology. This model pushes superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to surround food from every angle simultaneously. The result is genuinely hot and crispy textures without deep frying. The 5QT non-stick basket fits up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in a single batch. That's a real family-sized load handled without splitting into multiple rounds. The non-stick crisper plate makes cleanup fast. For most households cooking weeknight meals on a budget, this is the rock-solid starting point we recommend first. Next is the Cosori TurboBlaze, and this is a serious upgrade. The key innovation is TurboBlaze technology running at 3,600 revolutions per minute. That high-speed fan system circulates heat faster and more evenly than any standard air fryer. In practice, that means faster preheat, crispier exteriors, and consistent cooking from edge to edge. If you've dealt with hot spots or unevenly cooked meals from older models, the TurboBlaze was built to fix exactly that. This is the model for cooks who want noticeably better results without jumping to a full countertop oven. The Cosori 5-fan speed air fryer takes precision further than any other basket model we tested. Instead of a single fan, it uses a unique 5-fan speed system that eliminates dead zones inside the cooking chamber. Combined with precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, every batch comes out with consistent texture. That wide temperature range is genuinely useful. Low settings handle delicate dehydrating without burning. High settings blast frozen foods crispy in minutes. This is the model for cooks who prepare a wide variety of dishes and will not compromise on consistent results. For larger families and serious home cooks, the 14-in-1 air fryer oven at 26QT is in a completely different league. It includes 7 dedicated air fry modes covering fries, chops, shrimp, and more. The 26QT capacity comes loaded with a full accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers. That is a full countertop oven that air fries, roasts, bakes, and rotisseries simultaneously. If you cook for 4 or more people regularly, this model removes every cooking limitation in a single purchase. AirFryerGuidance was built for one purpose: help real people find the right air fryer without the noise. Every guide we publish is research-driven, covering technology specs, capacity needs, and real-world cooking results. We cover top-rated models, healthy cooking tips, air fryer recipes, and head-to-head comparisons across price ranges. We do not recommend a product unless it earns its place through performance. Our community of home cooks trusts us because we are honest about trade-offs, And we never rank something just because it is the most expensive option on the shelf. So which air fryer is right for you? For one, 2 people, start with the Ninja 5 QT, reliable, affordable, and easy. For faster and more even cooking, the Cosori TurboBlaze is the upgrade that delivers. For precision across every dish type, the Cosori 5-fan speed model wins clearly. For full families, the 26 QT 14-in-1 oven is unmatched. Get the full comparison, detailed specs, and our complete buying guide right now at AirFryerGuidance.com. Drop your questions in the comments below. Subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews every week.